Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your email on Twitch. Watch the video till the end. To verify your email on Twitch, firstly open your Twitch application. The home page of Twitch application will appear on the screen. Tap on profile icon on the top left corner of the page. Click on account settings. On the next page, tap on security and privacy option and then click on email. Enter your email address to verify your account and click on submit. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. Enter your verification code and click on submit. Your account will be verified in no time. This is how you can verify your email on Twitch quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.